how to fix Bluetooth cutting on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon and restart device from here. Click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see a problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down and click on apps, scroll down and click on Bluetooth app, click on storage and clear cache Bluetooth. After clear cache, go back to home screen. Use your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.